Every brand is now launching its 5G phones, and Samsung has so far launched two 5G phones named Galaxy S10 5G and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. But one of the big issues with these 5G phones from Samsung is that they are very expensive and retail for over $1,000. Now companies like Vivo have launched 5G phones at a price under $600 in China, so Samsung is also going to launch its cheapest 5G phone soon, named Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. Now while it sounds like an upgrade to the Galaxy A80, there isn't going to be any fancy rotating or sliding camera mechanism and full screen design, as Samsung wants to keep the cost as low as possible. Recently, the images of the official retail box of the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G leaked that revealed the design as well as the major specifications of the phone. So as you can see, the Galaxy A90 5G has a normal design with an Infinity U display on the front, which means there is a U-shaped notch. On the rear there are triple cameras placed on the top left and the fingerprint scanner is there under the display. So yes, the design is not anything special, as the main highlight is not the design but rather the 5G support. Coming to the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC. This means it is going to be the first A-series phone to launch with the flagship Snapdragon 855 SoC. There is a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a primary 48MP shooter, a secondary 8MP camera which is most probably a wide-angle camera, and finally a 5MP camera that is most likely a depth sensor. There is a 32MP front-facing camera, and the phone also supports 25W fast charging that we see on the Galaxy Note 10. So yes, the main highlights of the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC and the 5G support. Rest of the specifications are not something extraordinary, and same is the case with the design. Now as per some trusted sources, the price will be 4500 yuan, which translates to around $629. For comparison, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is priced at 7999 yuan or well over $1100. So yes, the Galaxy A90 5G is way cheaper than that. Even at this price, the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G is not the cheapest 5G phone in China, as that crown goes to the Vivo IQ Pro 5G that is priced at 3799 yuan or $530. Well, it is good to see that we are now getting much cheaper 5G phones even from companies like Samsung. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G? Do let me know by the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.